Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video we're going to learn about how to sort array of objects by string property values in the JavaScript. You can sort the string or the numbers just by using the sort method, but if you want to sort the array of the objects, you have to create your own comparison function, which is pretty simple. So I'm gonna simply create a function here which will simply sort the array of objects. So let me just create the function here. Function sort my Avengers. I hope I'm not making any spelling mistake here. Okay, so you have to pass the two parameters, and now you have to put the conditions here. If the a dot last name is less than b dot last name, return -1. All right, and if a dot last name is greater than b dot last name, return 1. Otherwise just simply return 0. Okay, so I just have to remove the spaces. So we have just created our function. Let me just give the semicolons here. So now I'm gonna use the console log, and in the console log I'm gonna use my Avengers object dot sort. Now we're gonna use the sort method, and inside the sort we will pass sort my Avengers function. Alright, so this is how it works. So let me just run this and see. Okay, so we have sorted our object by using its property value, string property value. Okay, so as you can see here, first we have the man, America, and the Hulk, but in the sorted object we have the America, Hulk, and man. So this is how you can sort your object by using the string property value. Okay, so if you just want to sort it in descending order, what you need to do, you're gonna remove the minus here and put the minus here. Okay, now our function will sort the object in the descending order. So first of all we would have the man, then Hulk, then America. Okay, but if you want to sort the object by different property, we're gonna simply write the first name here. So if I just run it again, so it will sort my array of objects by using the first name property of the object. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is how you can sort the array of objects by using the string property values. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.